your cable company keeps you on hold, you get angry. When you get angry, you go blow off steam. When you go blow off steam, accidents happen. When accidents happen, you get an eye patch. When you get an eye patch, people think you're tough. When people think you're tough, people want to see how tough. And when people want to see how tough, you wake up in a roadside ditch. Don't wake up in a roadside ditch. Get rid of cable and upgrade to DirecTV. Call 1-800-DirecTV.
I really need this.
We don't need more credit card debt.
You know, at Rent-A-Center, you can get this 55-inch Sony LCD for just $29.99 a week.
Without having to use credit.
We like that.
We do.
Matt going hard in the paint. Come back, Matt.
Feeling that flu all over your body?
I guess Matt said he finished.